All right, good evening, guys. Good evening, good evening. Welcome, welcome. Let's get there. Right, let's go. All right, good evening, guys. Good evening, bonsoir. Bonsoir, bonsoir. Welcome. All right, so if it's your first time here, welcome. This is Forex Talk over beer. So basically, concept is really simple. I'm gonna open up a beer, and tonight I got the matching beer. Yeah, pretty happy. Uh, Oh, sorry guys. I got this video running here. All right. So hopefully you guys ready for a pretty good episode here. Let me set up this. All right, perfect. Where is my chart? Chart is right here. All right, so we're gonna be good to go. Hello, hello. What's up, guys? All right, so like I said, this is Forex Talk over a beer. So basically, we're gonna open up a beer, we're gonna drink a beer together, and we're gonna chat about Forex. So basically, I'm gonna go over trades from this week, and I'm gonna answer some Q&As. So if you have any question, let me know. And yeah, and Lawrence says, "And man, I need a beer today." Man, trust me, me too. It was an epic day. Um, so yeah, and if you're having a beer with me, make sure you take a picture, send it on IG or tag my name, Sasha underscore FX Dog DAWG, and I'm gonna reshare it. Okay, so first thing first, let's crack it up. All right, so let's go. And like I said, I have the matching beer with a matching glass. Pretty dope. Pretty dope. So hopefully everyone had a pretty good day. Pretty sure a lot of people got trapped into GJ today, and we'll explain why. So send me an emoji, thumbs up if you won today, or thumbs down if you lost today. Let's try and see what's up with everyone. All right, thumbs up if you won today, thumbs down if you lost. Pretty good. All right, let's see. Let's see. Let me send something right now on IG. Forex, Forex, stock over a beer. Boom. Here we go. All right. So sorry. Why I'm saying I need a beer? Because I lost, man. Yeah. Classic. Yeah. All right. So let's go over some trades from this week. Let me share. We have another. Go over here. New window. Trixie. Let's take a look at some trades from this week. This week was the 8th. Yeah, okay, so 8 was okay. So this one is on GA sell. All right, so this morning I was mostly looking for buy on GA, but I had a nice opportunity with a short counter trend trade. I used the golden zone as a final TP, but decided to close my first attempt at B since 8:30 candle as having a hard time breaking 500 QP. All right, so let's take a look at this. Boom. So normally what I would have done is we have this new high being formed. Okay, let me grab an arrow here. All right, so we have this new high being formed, and usually I would have waited for price to come down, retest the high. But instead, what happened? Oh, you guys don't see the screen. You only see my big face. Hold on. Haha, let's fix that. Sorry, guys. Let's do this again. All right, so this. All right, there we go. All right, let's do this again. So normally, what I've a new high has been formed, right? So basically, yeah, we can see the chart. Sorry, guys. So basically, I would have waited for price to come down and retest the high. What happened around here is, if you see, we also have this double top being formed on the 30 minutes. If you see right here, and I think you can see it also on H1. You see it on H1, see it on 30 minutes. All right, so basically, where's this tool? Where is the tool? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Hold on, give me one sec, guys. Give me one sec. Why? Where is it? Where's the thing that? There we go. All right, so basically we had this coming down and boom, right? Oops. Let's do this again in black. It's gonna be easier. Go black, go like this. All right. So basically we had this thing coming down, coming up, boom, right? So technically, usually I will look for entry under this QP line, and that's exactly what I was looking for. I took an aggressive entry. So basically, first attempt on the opening candle, but close at B. So what happened here is, let me grab this arrow back. So what happened here is this closed nice bearish engulfing. So I was like, all right, let's go. So I actually took an entry on this opening candle and put my stop above the previous. And when I saw that price was having problem coming down and breaking that QP, when price came back to my entry, I closed at BE, right? So I closed at break even. So that was my first attempt. Let me send something in our group. Hey, Mike, what's up? Hey, Big Mac, what's up? What's up, guys? Let me. Someone is calling me on Instagram. That is Paul. I don't know. Weird. Never received a call on on Instagram. So actually, let me send a message to our group and make sure that everybody knows that that's everyone Forex over. All right. All right. So let's get back to it. Okay. So first thing, what happened is I took this first trade on this opening candle. And when I saw that price was having problem breaking this QP, when price came back to my entry, I closed at break even. So that was my first attempt, break even. So what I was looking for after that is second attempt at 9 a.m. opening of the H1 candle. So now let's flip time frame. Let's go to H1. So let's go and see H1. So looking at H1, it makes sense. Now this candle on H1 closed bearish, very nice, and now it's 9 a.m. So I know there's volume coming in. So second attempt at 9 a.m. opening of H1 candle. So that's exactly what I took, expecting price now with the volume breaking this zone, and it actually went super well and closed full when we hit this zone, because this was a counter trend trade, right? So I want to make sure that I secure my profits, because at any time price can reverse. And that's exactly what happened. Price came down in that golden zone and boom, pushed up, right? So that was the I had two attempts on that trade. So the first one got stop at break even. The second one, by the way, my target here on this trade was this wick field here on the left. Okay, so that's where I secured 50% there, and the rest got closed full at this zone. Okay, so the previous resistance here. So that's it. So that was the first trade. Let's take a look at the second trade of the day on that day. That was Monday. Oh yes, that was a swing trade attempt. Yeah, that's it went pretty well for a while. Swing trade, that's why swing trade, man. Anyone that do swing trade, respect for them. Because I mean, with those news, with stuff that happen, and price can reverse at any time. So basically, look and show the opening candle here. We had a nice support form in the golden zone, respecting this major QP. Let me grab the arrow again. Let's put it a little bigger. So basically, yeah, support being formed in that golden zone, respecting this major QP right here. I was like, all right, great. So this huge engulfing candle, I was like, all right, we good. Took the entry on the second candle, went into drawdown, pushed back after, and finally, here at 25 pips, I'd set up a partial TP. 25 pips, move, stop to break even, close 25%. And I left 75% run. My TP was right here, my final TP. The problem is, at this time, at 5 p.m., because I know I have some friend here tonight that got the same thing happen to him today. And look at this bullshit candle at 5. When market closed, what happened? Bam! Spike down with 10 pips stop loss, with 10 pip spread. And yeah, I got taken out from that trade, right? So, but too bad. If it wasn't for this stupid thing at 5 p.m. Eastern at the close of the market, yeah, I would be full TP right here. So that's too bad, just because this bullshit happened. Oh well, it is what it is, you know. So 25% got closed in profit at least, and the rest got stopped at break even. If I didn't move my stop at break even, yes, I would be still in that trade probably. But you know, shit happened. So that was that. What else? What else we got here? Let's see if we have any questions before we move further. Hey guys, cheers. By the way, guys, if you're having a beer with me, please send me a picture on Instagram and I will reshare that. Let's see now. Would looking at a 4-hour time frame and getting your chart set up on a higher time frame be considered a swing trade? No, swing trade is if you're doing over like a day or so, you know. In my case, I call it a swing trade, that one. It was more, that's why I said intra swing, you know, because I didn't know if it was like for the day or maybe 2 days. I didn't know. But swing trade usually is over 2 days. So it doesn't, nothing to do on chart, on time frame. But yeah, most of the time swing traders will take entries on daily chart, on 4 hours, you know, stuff like that. Let's see here. Sasha, I'm at work right now, but stepped outside to have a beer with you. That's pretty awesome, man. That's pretty awesome. Cheers, bro. Um, what's good? What's good? Salut Sasha, salut Michael, Francesco. Man, this guy. Okay, I gotta pause this episode. Man, it's Forex talk over beer, so we can do whatever we want, right? Francesco here on the live actually plays in a band. I need you all guys to go give love to a trader that's actually an awesome musician. I actually had to drive today for work for an hour to go, an hour come back. So 2 hours. For 2 hours, I actually listened to Spotify, and the only thing I was listening on Spotify is this man band. And this band is just amazing. Guys, you need to listen to this, and you can watch them on Instagram. It's hold on. The Polar Tones official. Guys, you need to go give them love. Go follow them. I'm telling you, this is amazing music. I cannot play it on YouTube because they're gonna stop. Yeah, City's talking to me. So basically, I cannot play it right now, but I'm telling you, you can actually go on Spotify also. And I was not joking. If you look here, what was playing here? Look here, the title here at the bottom. What was playing? Two Steps, the Fuller Tones, right? I cannot play it because it's I'm gonna get kicked from YouTube, but man, it is so good. Francesco, I have to tell you, man, your voice is just amazing. And man, you can play guitar like holy. I was impressed, man. I was really impressed. Sorry, man. I had to pause this episode to talk about this because I was really amazed by this quality music. Shit. man, I'm a fan of music. You know, I was DJ before, and man, I always love music. I can enjoy every style of music because I can understand every style of music, and this is just, oh, yeah, man. I have to stop talking about it because, to be honest, man, that was dope. That was really dope. I can't wait for after this episode. I'm actually gonna play this in my Sonos system, and I'm gonna make it listen to my wife, and I'm sure she's gonna flip also. So, anyways, all right, guys, don't forget to give a like to the stream, please. That would be very appreciated. Um, all right, so let's continue here. What's up, dogs? What's up, Mark the Stash? Tommy, what's up? All right, so we got a couple of dogs here. So we got a couple of our students on. Cheers, guys. Cheers. What's my Instagram? Oh, let me write it down here. Or actually, let me put it up here. I guess here. My Instagram is boom right here. Sasha underscore FX dog. That is me. Oh shit, we broke the 4,000. I didn't even know. Pretty good. Getting there, getting there. All right. So this is the profile. Okay, so let's go. Let's get back to our things. What's up? What's up, Sasha? Let's have a great trading day. Yeah, man, it's gonna be an awesome day tomorrow. You guys are gonna see. It's gonna be beautiful. Um, yeah, swing trade, Mike. Yeah, that's what happened. Francesco, man, you're more than welcome, bro. I'm doing it. I'm actually sharing this because for real, I've man, that music really touched me. It's just like, wow, that was good. Sasha, I'm thinking of getting Magic Key. What will be needed for Mac as I see you using it? I'm not using it with my Mac though, because I use MT4 with my PC on my left. Yeah, I need to do a video on YouTube about my setup because everyone's asking. But yeah, I got this Microsoft Surface laptop 3 or something like that right here. So I use my MT4 on PC. So I cannot help you on that one. Sorry, man. Links to the goods will do. Links to the goods. Oh, sorry, I don't know. Je me fais enlever mes 4 dents de sagesse, alors demain, je ne suis pas sûr d'être sur les charts. Ooh, man, that's gonna hurt. All right, so let's get back. Let's get back to our trades. Here, that was yesterday. Oh, yesterday, man. Monday, Tuesday. One trade, but one crazy ass trade. Are you guys ready for that one? That one was I went to 53 pips profit. The Franglish having a hard time talking. All right, so not even my beer's not even done yet. Shit. Usually when I start to get tipsy, usually that's starting to have a problem talking. Hey guys, don't forget to smash that like button, man. We got like over 35 people on. We got 11 likes. I mean, come on, we can get to 20 easily. All right, so let's move on to this trade. Entry on the opening candle support form. Oh shit, I didn't finish. Looks like I didn't finish labeling my chart here. Hold on, that's the same. Wait a second. This is not. Oh, yes. Okay. Perfect. Okay, let me see something here. I'm missing one trade. Where's my other trade? Second. What? 4308. Oh yeah, because I had a buy attempt. That is on Tuesday. Oh yes, okay, now I get it. Sorry guys. Okay, so that was also the first trade from Monday. Am I right? Which day are we now? So 8 Monday, 9, 10. Yes, that was Monday also. Oh yes, that was the first trade we took on Monday. That was a break even. Also, so I had two break even on Monday. Got stuff at B. Yeah, exactly. So basically, new high was created, support was formed. Yeah, now I remember. Sorry, guys. So new high got created, support got formed, and boom, took an entry. Price went up to 11 pips. Oh yeah, I have to say, okay, this is really important for you. I mean, this is really important if you want to follow what I'm explaining. This week, I'm actually trying something different. Meaning that instead of, usually I always set up my partial TBs at 11 pips, right? Last year was 10 pips, now it's 11 pips. And stop, move to break even automatically, and I secure most of the time 80% or 90% of my trade at 11 pips. This week, I'm trying something different. So what I'm doing is I'm placing my on Magic Key. By the way, guys, Magic Key has a new version now, and it looks pretty dope. And I'm gonna order one, and I'm gonna give away this one. All right, so you want to make sure you're on Forex Talk over beer, because once I'm not gonna announce it, but once I get my new one, I'm just gonna draw. I'm just gonna draw this one to anyone live in the chat. So you want to make sure you're on. So anyways, so basically what I do is I press Auto BE right here, right? Auto BE, and I set it up at 11 pips. So auto break even at 11 pips. And what I do, I set up my partial at 15 pips. And the reason why I did that, I decided to try that this week, is this weekend actually went over all my journal. And I realized that every winning trade I had at 11 pips, 8 times out of 10 or 7 times out of 10, I was actually going to 15 at least, so 4 more pips. But 4 more pips a day by week after a year makes a huge difference. So that's what I'm trying right now. So this trade was my first attempt with this new kind of, not strategy, but I guess risk management. I don't know how to call it. But anyways, so long story short, high got created, support got formed, took entry, Auto B got stopped, and the price went to 14.6. 14.6 pips. And went to break even. I was like, shit, I was so close. But it is what it is. I wanted to stick with it. I didn't close manually. And the reason why is I really wanted to test it, right? So anyways, so this didn't work out. Got stopped at break even. But yesterday, this shit, yeah, man. This trade was just insane. Okay, so now we're gonna talk about this trade, because man, I got so many messages on Instagram about that trade. People were like, man, why are you buying when it's bearish? I'm like, wait a second. Where do you see a bearish trend? Just like, okay, I'm gonna ask you a question, guys. All right, so let's do it. Let's do it here. All right, so guys, looking at this. All right, so now looking at this, can anyone tell me where do you see a bearish trend? Because I got at least 10 people who messaged me and said, dude, you're buying into a bearish trend. So I'm just trying to see, where is that bearish trend? I'm just curious. Maybe there's something I didn't see. And this is not to be cocky. It's just like, guys, you need to see the bigger picture. It's not because suddenly you have 6 bearish candle that we are in a bearish trend. That's just mean the price is retracing down to continue up after, because price move like that. So guys, if you never realized that, I'm going to show you something. And hold on, this is a very expensive Forex class here. Get ready. All right, so price moving up needs to go up before down, up, down, up, down, up, creating higher highs, higher lows, and here we go, and whoo, and like this, and that's gonna, whoops, that's gonna continue like this, right? Jesus, new tool, right? So anyway, so that's how it moves, right? Delete that. So now let's get back to it. Yo, Sasha, what need Let's see. Links the good. What is magic key link? Oh, magic key. You can go. Actually, I think I have. Do I have a link in my description? I don't know. If there's no link in my description, go to my Instagram. You can have a link right there that you can order it, or you can see the website. It's magic key dot. I can't remember what it is, but if you go on my Instagram, I have a link there. Click on the link on my bio. You have access to my free journal. You have access to my Telegram. You have access to Magic Key. You have access to pretty much everything. Um, Yo, Sasha, what's up, Tom? Hey, Sasha, can you give a quick explanation on how you use quarter points? Uh, Short explanation is gonna be really hard because it's kind of strategy by itself, right? So I'm actually recording a new video also for the course, which is going to be QP 2.0. So I mean, I cannot do this in like in 10 minutes. It's just like it's not going to be. I can give you the basic really fast, but yeah, we'll cover that very fast. All right, so let's get back to this. All right, so basically now looking at this, all right. So if you see, price was in an overall bullish trend, right? I don't use trend line. This was just to show people that we are trending up, right? So now looking at this, number two, support form on H1. Okay, let's move to H1. Let's move to one which is more clean. Let's get this here a little bit. So I have a lot of labels in that chart, but hopefully that makes sense. All right, so anyways, so basically, long story short, this candle, right, forms support. Pretty big candle also, you know, this is not a small body candle, it's a pretty big candle. And if you look left, what happened here, looking left, around the same area, if you realize, price formed support with a pretty big candle, and bam, pushed up. So I was expecting price to do kind of the same thing. And that's exactly what happened. So we formed support. This candle closed back above this major QP, forming support. Took an entry right at the opening of the candle. Actually, not true. I was trying to grab an entry at the opening candle, but it kind of retraced down pretty quick. So I got an entry on the retracement a little bit. Set up my auto break even at 11 pips right here. Put my stop under the previous candle. All right, let's do this again. So I took an entry right here on the retracement. Once, automatically when I saw price breaking that high, I moved this stop loss that was here to here under the current wick. So I'm managing my risk. I'm reducing my risk by doing this, right? So after that, price went to 11 pips, hit my auto break even. And after that, went to partial profits at 15 pips, closed 80% of the trade, and close another 50% at a previous 30-minute resistance. So if we switch on 30-minute, you'll see there's a minor resistance here, and this is also a zone here. So I kind of secure some profit there to make sure. And I closed another 50% at 53 pips. And the reason why it's looking left, yes, there's clean traffic here, but I know here there's an area of problem. So all those candle here kind of, yeah, you know what? Let me secure another 50%. And thank God it did it, because after that, price just melt. And I moved my stop into profit, and I got stopped in profit. So that was the trade from yesterday. And you can actually see exactly how we took that trade live, because this one was, hold on, this one was Tuesday? Yeah, this was what was taken on live. So basically, you can watch it on YouTube right after this episode. If you want to watch it, go watch it. You're going to see exactly how we grabbed that move on GA. So that was a pretty good move. So you want to rewatch that episode for sure. In this episode, we actually called also a gold sale, if I'm not wrong. And I called a GA. What did I call also? Did I call it GJ something? I think I called 4 trades total. One was a loss, and the 3 others was winners, if I'm not wrong. If I remember correctly. I suck at memory. Sorry, guys. So yeah, you definitely want to rewatch that live session from Tuesday. That was, I think that was pretty good. Um, so that trade was pretty dope. Any question on that trade? Um, no questions. Only 14 likes. Yeah, come on, smash that like button. Come on, boy, smash it. Hey, boom, boom. All right, smash that like button, guys. All right, no question about that trade. So we're gonna move on in three, two, one. No question. Okay, perfect. Let's move on. Um, let's remove this. Let's move on to the trade from today. Okay, so today's trade. Today's trade was on GJ. So GJ was in uptrend, right? So looking mostly for buys. So looking at 1 hour right now. All right, so where was it? Looking on 30 minutes or 1 hour? I can't remember. Wait a second. Here. Oh yeah, that was right here. Yes, that was right here. This stupid trade. All right, let's take a look at it. That one hurt. So basically, price created a new high, waited for price to come down and retest that high. So support was formed here with a 30-minute candle, but it was kind of a weak 30-minute, not big body. The only thing that was kind of cool with this candle, it was a pretty big rejection to the downside. But I said, yeah, let's wait for 1 hour. So we all waited with the students. Check US 30. Oh no. We all waited with students for 1 hour instead. So basically, waited for that 1 hour to print. So when that 1 hour printed with a decent size candle, I was like, all right, I think I'm feeling pretty confident we're gonna retest that high. It was a support form at a previous zone. So I was like, nah, makes sense. The only thing that was scary, it was this major QP right here in our face. And this is the learning this is the learning of today. Next time, what I'm gonna do, and I'm actually journaling this at the same time. I was journaling this earlier, so I didn't finish, but still. So basically, next time, what I'll do when I have a major QP, especially a major QP, right in front of me, I will wait for a bottom wick to form, and when we break the high, that's where I'm gonna get in. But instead, I got in on the opening of the candle. I actually grabbed the second entry right around here, using dynamic risk. My stop was a 15 pips stop loss fix. It was like kind of around somewhere around here. So everything was good, to be honest. Good rejection here to the downside. So price expecting to push up and retest this high. But freaking yen news came out and took us out. So yeah. So this thing just went like bam in a second. I blinked my eyes, looked, I was like, oh shit, I got stopped. And yeah, that was pretty quick. So this is my first full stop this month. And probably my first full stop for probably a couple weeks, you know? Because usually I always manage my risk, right? So I always kind of cut my losses short. So this is my first full stop this month for sure. And I can't remember, I mean, probably remember, I don't know, maybe a couple weeks ago. I don't know. But it's been a while though. So yeah, so that was the first attempt. That was news, right? So price came all the way down here and rejected. So when I saw that, I was like, all right, so based on experience, I saw that before, in the past year or so. I saw that when news happened on GJ and there's nothing to back it up, like very solid. It was just some saying, about the yen, about the economy with Japan, so blah blah blah. It was like all kind of blah blah, but nothing solid. So I was like, all right. So I told my students like it might be a correction. So actually, I didn't tell people to take this entry because this one was risky, and this was based purely on experience, purely on what I saw before. That was actually the first time that I was actually trading a, a kind of a counter news, and yeah. So actually, when this candle opened and I saw it came down, and as soon as it flipped bullish, I actually took an entry. I was like, we're gonna correct this move, and it actually corrected the full move, and it went to 20 pips profit. My first partial was at 15. Again, my auto break even is 11 pips. Partial TP was at 15 pips, closed 80%, and at 20 pips, I had another 15% close, and the rest got stopped out at break even, kind of right here. So that was the trade from today. And yeah, that is it. Not complicated, right? Man, 18 likes, guys. Come on, man. Can we get to 25? Come on. Cheers, guys. Cheers, cheers. Are you gonna take any trade in Asian session? Probably not. I don't really trade Asian. Sometimes when I see something very solid, maybe. But if you look at my Trixie, because my Trixie is public, right? So I have a link in my description. So basically, if you take a look at my Trixie, where the hell is my Trixie? Trixie, where's my Trixie? Right here. So if you look at my Trixie, the last time you see NY session, NY session, NY session, NY session. Oh, one trade in December. One trade in December that was Asian session, and that was a winner. Yeah, it was a winner. If you look, New York session. Oh, Asian session. One trade in October. NY session, NY session, NY session, NY session. Oh, Asian session. June. Two trades. One loss, one win. If you look, Asian New York. Oh, Asian session. Two trade in May. Win and win. All right. And yeah, before that, I was not journaling. That's where like this started to make a lot of change in my trading. When I started to journal, man, went to a next level in no time. Um, I was like journaling without journaling. I was doing an Excel sheet kind of before that, but it was not as good as this. This was next level. My Trixie link isn't working. That's interesting. If you go to my IG right here, if you click on this right here, you'll get everything here. We'll get let's see, let's try it. Of course, YouTube broker, get access to my trading journal. Yeah, that should work. I'll go check it out in the description. I'll go correct it if it's not working. But until then, you can go to my Instagram and you can click on this link here. Did the last trade cover your first loss? Oh, Mark the stash. That's actually a pretty good question. Let's see. Let's take a look. All right. So let's see here. So first trade here. Oh no, actually I didn't journal it, right? Did I journal it? No, we didn't journal it. I was just doing it here, right here. All right. So first trade was a full stop loss at 15 pips from my first entry. So basically, it was like, so it was kind of I didn't do the math, but our average, right? So my first position was a 1%, 1% risk. My second position was probably like a 0.6% trade, kind of. So I'm down 1.6 approximately. And my next trade went up to 15 pips, close 80%, but I only had one position. and I closed another 50 at 20 pips. So roughly, I'm probably still down like 0.4 for today, around there. I'm doing like rough math right now, so I'm pretty down 0.4 for today, around there. Um, so it didn't cover the full loss, but it covered a pretty good part. So I consider that pretty good, to be honest. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. Um, but yeah, that was a pretty good question. Hey, cheers. Again, if you're taking a beer with me right now, send me a picture on Instagram, tag myself. I will reshare it for sure. Let's take a look at a couple last questions before we finish this. It works for you because you're logged in. Oh, I'm just getting a blank Trixie page. Oh, that's weird. All right, so I'm gonna have to investigate on that. But it should work because I know that there are a lot of people looking at my trades. I'm pretty sure it works. Did you went to Instagram or YouTube? Because Instagram should work. Hi Sasha, how do you know when to enter on the break and close or wait for support resistance? This is coming from Zane. What's up, Zane? All right, so let's read this question again. Hi Sasha, how do you know when to enter on the break and close or wait for support and resistance? Not sure I'm getting the question here. How's Sasha? How do you know when to enter on the break? Okay, so you're talking about. Okay, so I think I know. Okay, let's get back to the chart. Uh, let's say okay. So here, let's grab an example here. Um, let's say this forms support right here. Okay, those two candle form support. This is a not so big candle. It's not really engulfing. So in this case, I'm waiting for this candle to break the high for better confirmation. You know, so I don't know if it's what you mean. Um, close or wait for support and resistance. You talk about impulse entry versus waiting for support, or you, yeah, I'm not sure. If you talk about impulse versus waiting for support, the only time I take impulse entry is when there's volume in the market, meaning probably like NY open, NYSC open, something like that. And if not, I'm most of the time I wait for candle to close. Um, because impulse for me is very risky, right? So I had many losses on impulse entry. Impulse entry can work pretty good when you know when and where to use it, so and now that I actually did my trading plan and now I know how and where to use it, for me, I have better success around NY Open, meaning around 8:30 or 9:30 with the NYSC volume. Um, how old are you? You look pretty young. Oh, thank you. Yeah. I don't even know how old I am, and that's the truth. Actually, I was writing my script for the course, and my intro video I'm presenting myself and blah blah blah. So I wrote everything. I showed it to my wife, and she looked at it. She's like, "Sasha, everything's pretty good, but you're not 38. You're 39." I'm like, "Shit." So so yeah. So basically, it looks like I'm 39 now. So, but thank you, thank you. Hopefully, I look like 25. Trying to. I'm trying. I'm trying. Um, trying to get back in shape because this year with the pandemic, holy shit, I got some weight to lose. Um, actually, we have a challenge now with our students. We have a 90-day challenge. We got some trading stuff in that challenge, like not taking any more 15 minutes entry. We got what else? We got sticking to 1 to 2 trades a day, I think. We got different stuff trading wise, but we also have stuff for being better, like 15 minutes of training a day, like cardio, muscle, whatever you want, walking. You also have 15 minutes of reading or audiobook. we need to drink like 64 ounce of water. Um, and yeah, we got a couple of stuff into that 90-day challenge. Waking up at 5, or well, I mean, depends on your time zone, right? But waking up every morning to be live on NY session, like those kind of stuff. So yeah, yeah, yeah. Hey bro, yeah bro, it normally works out, but it's not working now. I tried on IG too. Okay, I'll go check that later on. It will probably be fixed tomorrow for sure. So keep looking tomorrow. Sorry about that. Zane, sometimes you wait for the candle to close above a resistance to go long, and sometimes you wait for it to break resistance and create support. Yeah, most of the time, yeah, okay, that's a good question. Most of the time I will wait for break and retest, right? But if we are in a volume time, I will go straight for a break, right? So yeah, if it's like if it's like 8:30, 9:30 NYSC volume, I know there's volume, so I can take that impulse entry. But if not, I'll wait for that break and retest. I think it's safer. I'm getting a better win ratio doing that. But of course, this comes with missing a move. But I'm okay with that. I mean, you got to be okay with missing a move, man. So, hey, what's up, man? What's up, Iron Man? You doing, bro? So yeah, I mean, that's probably what it is. So, yeah, I just wait. So I guess we did the tour here for our trades from this week. Any more questions before I leave on? Um, let's see. Is there something else I want to talk about? I think we covered pretty much everything. Much better to miss a move than take a L. Yes, for sure, man, for sure. And that's actually really important, guys. I mean, if you get this into your mind that missing a move is okay, you're not gonna get FOMO. Man, if you see the number of people when they see a big candle is just trying to enter a trade, man, guy, just sit down, relax, chill. I mean, let that candle play out. It's gonna be a move after, right? So best example is right here. Like what I did this morning. This freaking candle came out of nowhere with those yen news. Bam, straight down, right? So what I did, yes, okay, we got taken out on this buy like retards, but it's okay. It's part of the game, right? So what happened after? I said, all right, it's gonna be a correction of that move because this is dumb. There's nothing to back up that news. So I was like, yeah. So I took the entry on the opening, like right after the opening candle when he flipped bullish. I was like, we're gonna correct this move, and this is exactly what happened, right? Um, so yeah, I mean, even when you see a big move, wait. There's gonna be another move after, so just chill. Don't freak out. Um, um, much better to miss a move. Yeah, Iron Man, you know me, man, being nice to everyone. Yeah, yeah. Well, it's okay, man. I think you're doing pretty good, bro. Just do your thing, man, and let the other one do whatever they want. Just who gives a fuck. That's it. I agree. Waiting for retest works so well, but you have to be prepared for price to move 50 pips in your direction without you. Yeah, it's part of the game, man. It's part of the game. But when price move 50 pips, just take notes of it. Just take notes, and next time do the same setup, you're gonna be able to catch it. I concur with Sasha. Yeah. All right, man. So perfect, guys. So thank you for watching. Thank you very much for joining. Cheers again. Hopefully you're enjoying a good beer tonight. And hopefully you're sending me a picture with your beer. All right. So thank you. Wait for breakout and retest. Yeah, definitely wait for breakout and retest. This is the safest way to do it. Don't expose yourself to losses for nothing, right? Oh, the other thing also, I wanted to share something very, very quickly on that GA trade that went to, like I said, 53 pips. Where is it? This one. People were sending me texts. I told you, people were sending me texts on that trade. I was like, hey man, why are you buying in a bearish trend? I was like, first of all, where the hell do you see a bearish trend in this? You know, just like, well, I know there's labels here, but you know, you understand the plan here. It's like, where the hell is a bearish trend? It's bullish, right? I don't use trend lines. This is just visual support to show you guys that this is a bullish trend, right? So when price moves to when price comes down right here, you know that it's about to go up. So do you want to buy like here or do you want to buy here? You know? Do you want to buy here or buy here? Do you have more chance of getting a runner to 20 pips here or here? This is just a simple question. All right, so option number one is buying over here, or option number two is buying over here or over here. All right, so let's see. Do you think there's more chance for your runner to hit like 20, 40, 50 pips if you're buying option one or option two? I'm just curious. Yeah. So why people think that when price comes down here, it's a bearish trend? It's not. It's price coming down to do a retrace, grabbing more orders for price to continue up. You know, just like this is basic concept. You wanna buy low, you know, and you want to sell high. It's just like it's simple concept. Simple, simple, simple. Right? Simple. So it was a pretty good move. And this trade was taken on H1, right? So this trade was taken based on H1, right on this opening candle right here, right? So support was formed and on H1. And you know, if you watch H1 for a while, you know that when H1 support or resistance is formed, most of the time it's going to get respected, right? So, enough said. All right, so let's see the last comments here. Man, I'm doing some overtime. Like what, 40 minutes? Shit. All right, so let's finish this. Wait for break and oh, and don't expose yourself in general. That is gross. Oh yeah. Official 1-1. Yes, higher highs and higher lows. Yeah, correct. All right, guys. Thank you very much for tuning in. Cheers again. I see you tomorrow morning for not for a live session. So tomorrow, starting at 5:30 a.m. Eastern, we're gonna start live session in Franglish. So I'm going to be bouncing from French to English, trying to help everyone. So tuning in tomorrow morning, starting at 5:30 a.m. Eastern. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow morning.